Hello everyone, I'm really excited to share with you a small clip of our producer factory called Chiyabari Bhanjhyang, located at Suryodaya municipality, Illam, Nepal. As you can see, there's rolling machines, rotating dryer, sorting machines, and also there's cabinet dryer over there. All these machineries are fully electric. That means they run on hydroelectricity. What you're seeing right now, it's called a withering process. So in this process, green tea leaves are kept in a setup called troughs, where either hot air or a cold air or sometimes a combination of both is given. What this does is it reduces the moisture content in the tea leaves, and then they go through a secondary process depending upon the type of tea that we want to produce. And this facility runs almost like 90% on hydroelectricity. That makes us a clean energy production system. And you can also see the facility is small, they produce in small batch, and they are an artisan producer.